Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you behind the scenes to show you how we built my DIY wall easel. If you like today's video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see all of our future videos. The first thing we're gonna do is go to Lowe's and get our supplies. I only need to pick up 3 things at Lowe's today because I already have a power drill, sandpaper, and a handsaw at home. If you don't have these things on hand, you'll also need them to complete this DIY. The first thing that we're going to get is our wooden dowels. I'm going to be using a 1/2-inch oak wooden dowel. We're going to cut this down into various sizes for different depths of canvases. So you can get as many dowels as you want depending on how many sizes that you'll need. The next thing that we're going to pick up is the trim that we'll be using for our wall easel. I'm using a 1-inch by 3.5-inch pre-painted trim. These come in 12-foot and 8-foot strips, but you can get them to cut them down depending on what height you need for your wall. It's important to note that you'll need 2 strips for every easel that you build. Last, we need to pick up our oversized drill bit. We'll be using a 1/2-inch flat drill bit for this project. Now it's time to head back to the studio. The first thing that we're going to do is start by marking off where we're going to drill on our trim. We've marked 6-inch spacing between every hole. Next, it's time to drill the holes. After we finish drilling all of the holes, it's time to start marking the pegs for where we'll be cutting them. Most of the canvases that I paint on are about 1.5 inches deep, so we measured our pegs to be about 2 inches long. Once all of the pegs are cut, it's time to sand all of them so that they have smooth edges. Once all of the pegs are cut, it's time to lay out where we want to position our wall easels. Who's supervising? And here is the final result.